생존 여행 영어 시작합니다. 호텔 예약을 변경하거나 취소할 때
Hello. I have a reservation for tomorrow.
Yes, may I have your name, please?
It's under Kim. I'd like to change my check-in date.
No problem. What date would you like instead?
I want to check in one day later.
Okay. A room is available for that date.
Great. Will there be any charge for the change?
No charge for date changes.
That's good. Also, can you send me a new confirmation email?
Of course. I'll send the updated confirmation shortly.
Actually, can I extend my stay by one night?
Yes, we can extend your stay.
If I cancel later, is a refund possible?
Yes, but a small cancellation penalty may apply.
Got it. Thanks for your help.
You're welcome. Enjoy your stay.